What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed Yelp business reviews or restaurant reviews into your WordPress website. So I got this restaurant on Yelp and I would like to embed this review, for example, okay? How to do this for free without coding is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to our WordPress dashboard, okay? So, to access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin and enter with your login credentials. Review the left sidebar of menus. Hover mouse over pages or posts or wherever the post type you would like to embed this review. In my case, I'm going to create a new page. Then click into this little plus button called add icon and search for custom HTML and click on edit HTML. Now go to our Yelp website, find the restaurant or the business, scroll down until you find the review that I would like to embed. In my case, it's going to be this one right here. It's a very complete and nice review. As you can see, next to the person photo, into the right side, there is these three little dots. Click on it, and we have option to share review or embed review. Click on embed review, and copy the code, just like this. Here is how it's gonna look on your website, okay? Now, place the code right here. Click on update, and here is the review embedded on my WordPress website. Reviews are a great way to share the performance, to share the public opinion of your business, and you can embed as many reviews as you need, okay? So you can embed this review or use a column layout, for example, like this. Three columns, and you can embed one review into each column. For example, a custom HTML here, a custom HTML here, a custom HTML here. You're gonna enter one review here, go to the platform, copy another review, just like this, embed the review, just like this, scroll down just a little bit, get another review, click on embed, copy the code. This way, we're going to be using the native codes, no extra platform needed, no codes needed. All we have to do is copy and paste and organize into the better option for you. Let me show you the final result. This way, you can organize your page, embedding the reviews and sharing for the world on your website how good your business are. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!